Good morning, students. Today I will start the new chapter, that is chemical kinetics. What do you mean by chemical kinetics? Chemical kinetics is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of rates of reaction and the mechanism by which the reaction occur. This is called as chemical kinetics. What do you mean by rate of reaction? Suppose reactant change into the product. When the reactant change into product means the reaction proceed. As the reaction proceed, reactant consume. So the concentration of reactant decreases and concentration of product increases because reactant is changes into product. So the concentration of reactant decreases and product increases. So here we plot the graph of concentration versus time. In case of reactant, the concentration decreases with the time. But in case of product, when the time t is equal to 0, it will be increases. This one. So this is the rate of reaction. Means the change in the concentration of reactant and product in a unit time, or you can say that decrease in the concentration of reactant or increase in the concentration of product with the time, this is called as rate of reaction. It is denoted by R. R is the rate. Rate is equal to minus sign shows the decrease in the concentration of reactant, delta concentration of R is the reactant, divided by delta T is the time. Same in this case, rate is equal to plus means increase in the concentration of product, delta P by delta T. Concentration by time. Concentration is moles per liter and time is second. So its unit become mole per liter per second according to this formula. Now what is delta? Suppose at time t1 concentration is of reactant is R1. At time t2 concentration of reactant is R2. Same in this case, at time t1 product concentration is P1 and at time t2 product concentration is P2. Then rate is equal to minus delta means total change. Total change means final minus initial. R2 minus R1 divided by T2 minus T1 means that is equal to minus delta R by delta T. Means delta sign shows the total change. Negative sign shows the decrease in concentration of reactant and R is equal to plus P2 minus P1 divided by T2 minus T1. Delta is the total change, same in this case, and plus sign shows the increase in concentration of product. So this is the rate of reaction. This expression of rate gives us the average rate of reaction. Here we take one example. N2 plus 3H2 arrow sign 2NH3. Then the rate of reaction or average rate, that is equal to, first rate of reaction is equal to minus shows for decrease in concentration of reactant, delta into में N2 concentration of N2 divided by delta T is equal to, same in this case, delta H2 by delta T, means this is the concentration of H2. Minus sign because of it is also a reactant, means a decrease in concentration of reactant. And here 3 is the coefficient, means for 1 mole divide by 3 is the coefficient, means it is divided by 3 is the coefficient. Same in this case, product case, NH3 is formed, concentration of NH3 divided by delta T. Here 1 mole of ammonia, means it is divided by the coefficient, that is coefficient is 2. So here negative sign is also says that it is also called as rate of disappearance of N2, rate of disappearance of H2 is equal to, plus sign shows the rate of appearance of ammonia formed. It shows the rate of appearance of ammonia formed. Now the